Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Rochelle Frias. I'm 29 years old. I'm married. I have one daughter. She's 2 years old. I live in Catabán, Burgos, Isabela. I'm the eldest of my family, and I have 2 sisters, no brothers. I'm college level. I took Bachelor Science Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience in United Arab Emirates for 6 years. I serve 18 persons, 2 elderly, 4 couples, and their 8 children. I make the household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, car washing, and take care of the baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will always check the temperature of the baby and I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have a small tattoo in my left hand.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family and for the future of my children.
If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My husband, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and tell to myself I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. after my work and wake up at the morning 5 p.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more patient and calmer by dealing with them.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Okay.